Do you want to sound more natural in English? I mean, do you really want to sound more natural in English? If yes, today I'm teaching you 10 idioms that native speakers use all the time. These idioms are fun, easy, and you can start using them today. Ready? Let's get started. The first idiom is to bite the bullet, meaning to do something difficult or unpleasant because you have to. Example, I didn't want to wake up early, but I bit the bullet and did it. The second idiom is call it a day, meaning to stop working because you are tired or finished. Example, we've done enough for today. Let's call it a day. Break a leg. It's a fun way to say good luck. For example, you have an exam today, right? Break a leg. To cost an arm and a leg, meaning something very expensive. For example, this laptop cost an arm and a leg because that was super expensive. Piece of cake, meaning very easy to do. For example, the homework was piece of cake. It was super easy. Warning, never try to translate idioms into your native language because they don't make sense. Because we use idioms to describe the situation or to say something that has exact meaning. Once you translate idioms word by word into your native language, they don't make sense. They don't give the meaning they can give in English. For example, you cannot translate under the weather because under the weather, it doesn't mean you are saying under the weather. It just means we just feel sick. That's it. Please do not try translate idioms into your native language and you just need to learn them and to remember them, and by practicing you will learn how to use them in real life situations. Under the weather, meaning feeling a little sick. Example, I feel under the weather today. I cannot go to work. Don't beat around the bush, meaning don't avoid the main topic, be direct. Example, don't beat around the bush, just tell me what happened. Because sometimes people, they just don't get to the point and they just keep saying stuff that doesn't make sense. So next time, if you're talking to someone, don't beat around the bush and say what you want. To break the ice, meaning to make people feel comfortable in a new situation. Example, I just told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. And to break the ice, it doesn't mean you break the actual ice. It's just an idiom, and you can say it to make people feel comfortable. That's it. By the skin of my teeth, meaning to barely succeed or just make it in time. For example, I woke up late and caught the bus by the skin of my teeth. I barely managed to caught the bus. Once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. Example, I eat burger once in a blue moon. Just kidding. Learning idioms helps you to sound more natural, and actually, native speakers, they use lots of idioms, and I have no idea how many idioms are there in English. So today I shared the most common idioms that native speakers use, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments which idiom is your favorite, and try to make your own sentences by using these idioms, and thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.